There's no question about what we must do. Stay at home.
Stay at home. Those are the directions from public health officials as the best way to prevent the spread of COVID-19. However, one group of the population is physically unable to obey those orders: the homeless.
By staying at home, we normally mean that people stay in a setting with just their family members, nobody else. So even people living in shelters are maybe living with 100 other people. If any one of them gets infected, the chance is high that many people could acquire that infection.
An at-risk group in even more danger as social distancing is nearly impossible to achieve. In Los Angeles, nearly 60,000 people experience homelessness. There are confirmed COVID cases already among that population, and that number is expected to increase. For the Union Rescue Mission in downtown LA, their goal of bringing comfort and compassion is even harder in this current COVID-19 climate.
We've never faced anything like we're facing right now. And even as you remind them to practice social distance, let them know how much you love and care about them.
Public officials across the United States are working to prevent an outbreak. In Las Vegas, parking lots are being divided into 6-foot spaces to encourage distancing. In California, there are efforts to relocate hundreds to campers, RVs, and spare motel rooms.
We have gone through our oldest guys on the 3rd floor who were in isolation, the ones who were most at risk, and we've begun to send them out to local motels provided by the county.
It's an extremely important tool in our toolbox right now. I think the better question is it happening quickly enough? And will it reach enough people?
But fears for many that need help now may not be enough to avert disaster, as homelessness has been an ignored crisis for years before this current health emergency.
It's a pandemic upon a pandemic. It's a horror movie laid out on a Twilight Zone already. It's horrific, and we're facing the toughest times we've ever faced.
And as unemployment skyrockets, another fear sets in: an even larger number of homeless looming in the future.
I think our crisis was already really devastating, and to think that it could get worse is really problematic and very real possibility unless we act quickly and decisively.